In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to successfully withdraw funds from your Linebet account. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or a newcomer, understanding the withdrawal process is essential. Let's get started. Picture this: you've just scored a sweet win on Linebet. The adrenaline's pumping, and you're ready to withdraw those winnings. So, grab your phone, unlock it, and find that Linebet app, or you can use Linebet website if you don't have the app. You know the drill: tap that icon, and let's get this withdrawal party started. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see some buttons: Popular, Favorites, Bet Slip, History, and, of course, Menu. Click on that Menu button. It's hiding out at the bottom left corner. Think of it as your secret passage to withdrawing. Now, within the menu, look for the Gear or Settings icon. Yep, that's the one. Click on it, and a whole new world of options will open up. But we're laser-focused on one thing: withdrawals. It's like finding the hidden lever that opens the ancient temple door. Scroll down. Keep going until you spot Linebet Cash. Click on it like you're unlocking a secret treasure chest. A pop-up window will appear, and guess what? It's time to enter that magic withdrawal amount. Type in the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is 225 Kenyan shillings. Now, let's get specific. Under City, choose Nairobi. And for Street, pick the number ending with 9485. Got it? Click Confirm. Boom! You'll receive a 6-digit code. Pop that code into the provided space. It's like the secret handshake to initiate your withdrawal. Your request is now officially in the system. Scroll up to see the withdrawal request. Wait for 10 seconds on the page for a fresh countdown to end, then click the refresh button. The status of your request will be shown. If your request is rejected, like mine, click on Find Out Reason for the refusal. Common reasons include not betting with the entire deposited amount or having incomplete profile details. To resolve these issues, either bet with the full deposited amount if you did bet with less, or if you did bet with just some of the amount you deposited, then you can withdraw lesser amount. If the issue is about not filling your profile details, then fill your profile details. After that, now repeat the process of withdrawing. Once resolved, wait again for 10 seconds, refresh the page and check the status again. It should now be approved. Click on Get Code to receive a 4-digit code. Copy this code and send it to the number +25 for 7063 69 for 85. And that's it. You will receive your funds shortly. And there you have it. You're a Linebet withdrawal ninja. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.